Hello, it's Charles Elwood again, and my company, Solismatica LLC, does digital marketing analysis in Power BI. Follow me on LinkedIn, and I'll give you updates every week with new videos. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about some trends in Power BI. I did a video last week, but I forgot a few things. So let's start where I left off. I just did a search, and on their Microsoft Power BI blog, they talk about how Power BI is a killer platform and that recommends that organizations consider Power BI as their main enterprise BI platform before looking elsewhere. And then if you click on the link for their report, you can see Microsoft is just kind of like in the Magic Quadrant. Microsoft is way up there in terms of BI. We'll go to our second tip now. What's interesting is I go to Indeed or LinkedIn and I search for terms like business intelligence, Power BI, Tableau, and my reference point is project management. And I do find jobs just based on that. And you can see here I already clicked on it and there's 28,000. What I also do is type in like a city like Grand Rapids and then do a find jobs there and it'll list 48 jobs. The other thing that I've been doing, if you're looking to change, move into a new area like business intelligence, I typically go into Indeed. I click on a few of the listings. I go down the list, and I keep a spreadsheet of all the keywords that are showing up in the job descriptions, and I go through 2 or 3 of these a week. And then me being me, I put it in a Power BI report. What I'm looking at is what I'm seeing. Companies, when they are searching for business intelligence people, they're looking at reporting and dashboards. Makes sense. SQL and R is interesting. I think that's an old school thinking where, they're looking at the old databases with normalization of the tables, analyze business systems processes. So this is kind of the upfront work that has to be done, and analyze user needs, gather requirements. So kind of systems engineering. And then this is just kind of, how I slice and dice the data I pull from Indeed. So I just show the general trends overall, business intelligence, Power BI, project management is what I track, and Tableau. And I kind of watch the trends across those 4 keywords. Once again, thanks for watching. Tune in next week. I'm going to do more videos. We'll keep this going. It's been a lot of fun. Thanks. Bye.